Hello my dear friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to present you the taking care of the plant of the species Nyctanthes arbor-tristis, a species of flowering tree native to South Asia and Southeast Asia. It has several names, including in other languages such as coral jasmine, harsingar, night blooming jasmine, night jasmine, tree of sadness, tree of sorrow, and several other names. I'm giving a complete list of these names in the description, which you may kindly see. Though named a jasmine, it's not a true jasmine and does not be counted as a genuine jasmine because it does not belong to the genus Jasminum. Harsinghar is a medium-sized tree that can grow up to 33 feet in height, and that means if you are taking care of the plant in a pot, you need to prune and manure it as often as required so that the tree remains fit to grow in a pot. In fact, fit and healthy to grow in a pot. These trees that you see here are 2 years old. They have been pruned several times, requiring hard pruning. Today I just removed the unwanted branches and loosened up the soil and added some manure. I applied some vermicompost, neem cake powder, seaweed extract granules, and some dolomite. After turning and mixing them with the topsoil, I poured some water too. The flowers of Harsinghar are sweetly fragrant, and they are with a white corolla and a orange colored center. It's a night blooming plant. That means the flowers start blooming at dusk, completing the process at dawn. The plant is used for its medicinal value in Ayurveda and other systems of traditional medicine. Harsinghar is considered as a lucky plant by Vastu Shastra. The flowers of the plant are offered for puja. In Bengal, the flowers are offered to goddess Durga during the Durga Puja. Parijata is also of importance in Hinduism, especially associating with Lord Krishna. The tree is propagated by planting the stem cuttings. It's easy to cut the stem and plant it. Maybe if you need, you can use a rooting hormone also, which generally is not required. But if by any reason, if your plant is not able to get propagated into new plants, you may try some rooting hormone, which comes as powder form as well as in liquid form. Otherwise, we can also use the gel of aloe vera plant, which also works as a rooting hormone. We can use some honey also as a rooting hormone in this case. Anyway, I hope you loved the video, you could understand it. If you got any problems or questions, you can write it in your comment. I'll be seeing you very soon with another video. Till then, bye bye, take care, and thank you very much for your time.